What's going on, Schmitty Garage? Got some new tools. They're swivel head ratcheting extended wrenches, 19 through 8. Pretty nice. If I ever got to get into a tight spot, need some extra leverage, these things are pretty sweet. Bought them on Temu. Can't complain. Got these, gotta try to find some room in the wrench drawer. Gonna do some rearranging and get them in here. Got the old Craftsman's, some stubbies, snap-on, open end, box end, snap-on extended reach. These are similar to those, only they're ratcheting. Got box end wrenches and whatnot. Pretty cool wrenches. Definitely gonna use them. They're about 10 bucks each. And we got these ones too, ratcheting swivel head wrenches. All right, peace.